To connect your Garmin Index BPM to the Wi-Fi, you will need the Garmin Index BPM and your phone with the Garmin Connect app. First thing to do is to press on any button of the Garmin Index BPM to power it on. Then hit the menu button, which is the lower one, until you get the Bluetooth logo. Then reach the Garmin Connect app and go on the upper right corner on the device icon, which is actually a watch, and select Add Device. From here, select the option Find Nearby Accessories, and you should find your Garmin Index BPM. Hit Setup, and they should talk between each other, which will not be the case for this time, so I'm gonna fast forward to my second try. So this is what we are looking for. You need to input the code that is on the Garmin device and hit pair. From there, they will really start to talk between each other. There will be a little setup that will be done automatically. You absolutely have nothing to do here except for waiting. And there we go. You can hit next. You can now enter your name. Up to 5 characters. So it can be your name, your initials, or your nickname, whatever. This is the name that will be displayed on the Garmin device. Up to 5 character. So hit enter, next. And then we can connect it to the Wi-Fi. The reason is that you don't really need your phone for this, for taking the measure. That's what I mean. So you will select your Wi-Fi, enter your password. The Garmin device will connect to the Wi-Fi for the first time, and then from this point, you won't need your phone anymore to take a measurement, meaning that at the end of the measurement, it will sync to Garmin Connect directly over the Wi-Fi, and you don't need your phone for this. From here, the setup is pretty much complete. You can choose to view or skip the tutorial. If you would like a complete tutorial on how to use the device, I invite you to take a look at the video on the upper right corner. Otherwise, it's pretty much done. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment below, and I hope this was helpful.